Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. What's going on? Once again, we're back at my website. Uh, New button showed up called Geoff's Toolbox. It said it was going to be Geoff's Playtime or something like that. No. Geoff's Toolbox sounds a lot better. And I have a members button when you mouse over there. You have a members button now. And what Geoff's Toolbox is, we'll click on this real quick, give you a little tour. So this is an update video of the last video I did. Same little pictures. Got HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, and then Geoff's Toolbox. Just whatever you want. See, whatever comes to mind, you can create custom threads in here. Ask questions. Anybody who's a member on my site, I don't get paid for you becoming a member or anything like that. It's just something fun I wanted to do. Wanted to get some interactivity with you. People that want to discuss HVAC and stuff like that can go into HVAC, plumbing can go into plumbing, and electrical, and you can all just mingle here. This is what I was talking about. So basically, and then any other threads that people have, like let's say car repair or whatever, you can go into the toolbox here and create threads. So when you first get here, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to create well, it's going to say please log in. I think after it'll say join the conversation, because this, I have not created any post or anything. If you create a new post, that's fine. It'll ask you to sign up. It'll ask you to sign up with your Facebook or sign up with Google Plus. Now that being said, I am not going to be able to see your Facebook or your Google Plus account. But if you do sign in with your Facebook or Google Plus account, whatever your username is on Facebook or Google Plus, it will probably be the user's name in the thread. So if you want custom stuff, you might just want to do the email password, retype password. It's really not, it's not going to give me any information about you or anybody on the threads about you. And then there's a nice little X button. You can hit X and go away. But so two new buttons, just a little update. This is what I was talking about in my last video. If you guys want to mingle in a place where you know, anybody can create threads in here. So you can create your own custom thread saying, oh, I need help with a condenser A coil or something like that, or indoor A coil or something. Whatever the case may be, y'all can go to my website and y'all can just talk about it. It doesn't cost you anything. I don't get paid for anything. This is just something fun. I thought, you know, and we can all learn off of each other's threads and stuff, even me. So that's probably the benefit I get from this, is becoming a little better. Maybe other techs can become wiser. There's a lot of good techs out there, and you guys can just go in here and bash it out, pretty much, so to speak. So just something I thought was fun and cool. And even if you do create a new thread, right, I'm not gonna I can't do it right now. But if you do, there's little icons on the bottom of the thread, and you can upload pictures and videos. Yes, you can. If you post a link, I think with a YouTube video that you've uploaded to YouTube and want to share it on this site, still, it's free advertisement for you, because whoever's in these threads, looking around these threads and stuff, they click on your YouTube, and then you get your YouTube revenue. So I won't be like posting too much stuff, but I'll try to be in the mix and try to look for questions and reading you guys' posts and stuff. And there's a couple people, if they want to be moderators of this thread, you can. I know a couple people that might want to do that. But I'm going to send out the emails to them first. If they decline or whatever, that's fine. No problems there. And then if you're going to be a moderator, you can't abuse the power of it. But I think everybody right now can create threads and stuff. I'm the only person who can like delete the thread or something after it's been created. I think. I don't know. We're just going to give this a shot. You can call this the beta version. But yeah. So come on over to Geoff's Toolbox. Links in the description of this video for this website if you want to browse around or whatever. And you can post threads, post topics, anything you want, and become like a little member of talk kind of thing, you know, just sit around and talk about what you did at work today or whatever y'all want. I thought it would be fun. That's why I was gonna name it Geoff's Playtime, but it kind of sounded weird. And Geoff's Toolbox is so much better. I'm telling you. And you know, I love the fact I put a little fake like kids toy toolbox there. So but anyway, guys, thank you. It's Geoff the Maintenance Man. Just hit 1,000. Thank you so much, guys. Actually, I think I'm 999. I need one more subscriber, guys. Hold on. What is that? Doesn't have my name on it though. That's not cool. It's 3D printed. A little crooked. Actually, it's not even centered in the thing. But not bad for a $15 play button. Alright, guys. It's Geoff the Maintenance Man. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe.